one of the most important things is you need to like and trust each other, and you need to be able to communicate with each other. So first things first is get to know them, right? Get to know them. If you can meet them in person, that's great. I highly recommend that. If not, have several conversations with them and go deep into what their goals are and make sure that your core values align, right? And that you're have the same goals so that you're all rowing in the same direction. And then you want to know where they are in their personal life as well. And if you're going to be devoting all your time into this, you quit your job, or you were a single family investor and you were doing that full time, and now you're transitioning into multifamily. This is all you've got. You're going to be putting 120% into it, right? And then you partner with somebody that's got a full time job. They've got a growing family, but their time is going to be very limited towards the business. Those two are not going to align unless you go into it with that, right? Knowing that partner is not going to be giving that much time towards it. All of that has to be outlined on the beginning. If not, most partnerships go south when one feels that they're doing more than the other. And that's where it starts going bad.